Action.
How you doing?
Now, I got you some fans for your truck.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Just in your budget. I found them in the trash, so I don't know if they work.
Those are damn good fans.
We'll figure that out later. We gotta get this thing wired in. Hopefully we got time.
Ain't we supposed to just plug it up?
Plug it up?
Yeah, just click them. The clip. No, just clip.
Nah.
Nah.
Uh-oh.
Dang. Yeah, it's just clickers.
All just clickers.
Well, it looks like clickers to me.
Yeah.
All those clickers.
Me too.
Oh. You got a light wire.
A power wire and a ground.
Yeah.
I guess that goes to the dash. Yeah, so we're gonna have to read the instructions, unfortunately.
I don't need that.
What do we need to read on this one?
That
don't look interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't look like nothing I need to know.
Yeah, so we're gonna read up on this thing and see what we gotta do here. And then we'll take it out to the truck there and see if we can get it wired in there. I don't guess it'll be too complicated.
What's that say?
Oh, hell.
No, here we go. There's it. Just, you know, the brain right here goes off.
Satellite.
Hey, hold on.
It tells you how fast
Come
you're
here.
going.
Come here. Let me see the problem with this. Going real good. It's reading. No more good. It just cut off. Guess what happened?
What's that?
All the Wi-Fi just died. We just killed it.
So that thing kills Wi-Fi.
It's back home.
Oh, come on, bro. That's false information.
Yeah, I'm wasting your time, ain't I? I'm wasting your time out there. Talk about this Wi-Fi stuff.
This is for the speedometer, so it don't matter.
It ain't gonna tell you the true speed then. It's gonna make you seem like you're going faster. Okay. So this thing. Oh God, here we go, y'all. Here we go. So that one plugs into this one. Look at all this, man. You supposed to know this?
I don't know. What is it?
That's what you're supposed to know. Yeah, we're gonna have to read these instructions. All we need to know is where the single wire.
Here's another.
Everything else just clicks. So we need to know these three little wires,
Yeah.
which we know.
All right, so we're gonna pull the bezel back off and take the gauge or the dash, whatever. Yeah, the Holley dash. Take that out, and then we'll start putting this spaghetti together. It don't go on the roof. Where's it go? Did you read it?
No.
You just making up stuff.
Well, you know, back in the day when they made them GPS things and you got them, you had the people run them out the doorway and up on the roof. Remember?
Yeah.
They used to sit on the roof. Yeah, maybe you could put it right there. There you go.
That's made. All right, right here. Install GPS antenna where it has clear view of the sky to the horizon for best reception.
Yeah. See?
The label needs to face down with the black part
Up.
of the antenna facing up. See, it don't say, like,
It does say.
it don't say it goes outside.
But it say you gotta put it out in the open.
I say just run the cable back that way and, you know, down up under the dash. Just hook it like that. So first we gotta hook this cam terminator into the main harness. And then it's got an extension cable. I don't know if I need an extension. I might have enough wire here.
Yeah, I don't see it. I mean, you're just going to there, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So this goes in this way. So you gotta put it in the right way now.
No, it goes on this harness. Cam terminator. Into the main harness. What are you doing? Wrong harness.
That's how this plugged into that.
For what? You're extending it to where?
Oh, so we don't need this wire?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
That
I didn't. I was kind of misunderstanding, I guess. I'm over here like concentrating really.
I don't even know if I had the camera pointed on you or the floorboard. I don't even know.
Well, hopefully you
I'm
had
bad with
somewhere else. I was licking the air.
What are you doing?
I realized myself doing that.
You concentrating hard.
Yeah, I looked around to see. I thought the camera was right there, so it got me good.
Alright, so I guess I better explain what I'm doing. I suck at making YouTube videos. Here we go. This is the GPS for the speedometer, so we're going to run it over to the dash. And I guess we're going to like stick it up here somewhere. I don't know.
I run it to the square right there. So you put that right there.
Yeah, but that's where the clip for the dash. Alright, there's some of the wires. And then we got these three.
We almost done.
The black is a ground. The red is a constant power, and the white is a switch power. Alright guys, I got the three wires hooked up. The black's ground, red's constant, and the white is switch power. And I guess that's all we hook up at.
We got the can hooked up.
Got the can.
This can. It's hooked up. Got this little
diode or whatever that is. So we're doing what the instructions say so far. So now we just gotta
Now what does this go in, 1 or 2?
that goes in 1 or 2.
Either one?
I don't know, I reckon. Let me get my handy dandy notebook back out. Connect the supply locking cable to either of the USB ports on the back of the unit and tighten the thumb screws.
Okay, put a little screwdriver for this.
They're thumb screws, bro.
Yeah, my thumb's too big. You said thumb or dumb?
That's the speedometer. The speedometer cable.
Looks up just like Wi-Fi.
Now this. Which way does it go? I got it wrapped around. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Like that. Now does it fit in there? Seen something for a second. It's blinking. It's downloading.
Well, would you look at that?
Factory default screens.
Hmm.
Oh, we got the boost gauge on
Oh,
there.
look, I thought it was going to count when I did that. It moved a couple times.
Alright,
It
I guess
started
we
up?
can.
Does your RPMs work?
You don't want to just screw it on there?
I just want to make sure it's working before we screw it on there. We have to screw it back off.
Made you jump, didn't it?
You got a boost, bro. Exactly.
Here we go.
The oil pressure.
Got my bolts. Yeah, the oil pressure's always been reading a little low. I think it might be the sensor. Hopefully. It's reading something though, so we're going with it.
Yeah. Well, that looks good, eh? It looks fake. Looks like a sticker.
Alright.
You want to tell everybody what you said? Because they probably didn't hear you. So what, we're going to leave the dash out?
Yeah, for now, because I think he's got to unplug right here to hook the laptop up to it. I'm pretty sure. Unless that's what this is for.
I thought that's what that thing was for.
What?
That other wire, the USB.
No, that's for the flash drive.
Oh, yeah.
Wherever it's at.
Well, that's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. It's kind of small though.
Yeah, I was going to say, you got a lot to look at in that little screen. But I hope your eyes stay good.
That's why I bought that gas gauge.
You gonna have to build you one of them things you can sit right here,
With a
man.
magnifying glass on it. Get 2 magnifying glasses and duct tape it to the steering column. You know what, the big one's almost $2,000. So
Damn, they make a bigger one than that.
yeah, make a 12-inch. I think it is. So how much money you want to spend?
Not even that much.
It's kind of a waste of money, but they wanted it. So
That's for that cruiser. Gotta look good.
this ain't no cruise. We ain't making no cruising. This ain't no cruise. Then we still gotta figure out the turn signals and stuff.
I don't know why we worried about some turning signals. You only need turning signals if you're cruising. Well, you gonna go down the track and hit it. Go take a right. That's what we building, ain't it? Race mode.
Slowly, over time.
Well, it's cruiser right now, then.
Yeah. Every race car starts out as a cruiser.
No.
Then you gotta work your way up. Yours is a cruiser too.
That's not a cruiser. We ain't making a cruiser.
Put 2 holes
This
in
ain't
the
a
hood.
cruiser.
You just don't know it yet.
It's not a cruiser.
It's a cruiser. Look at it, I got 20s on it. You don't even keep them clean.
I don't even like them.
Alright, I've been playing with this thing. Going through these different gauges.
You're already running at 2 RPMs.
That was kind of cool. Look, I got 1 PSI of oil pressure. I told you that sensor's messed up.
So why don't you start your truck and do that? So you can see what they look like when they in motion, moving and stuff.
trim on because it's driving me crazy. So we got a lot to learn with that dash here. That's gonna be a lot to learn.
You tell me I'm gonna be loud. Your truck is really loud.
This ain't no cruiser, bro.